Invisalign as a treatment is basically part of orthodontic treatment. It creates the smile, which is ultimate. And I would think whoever is concerned about her or his smile definitely can benefit from Invisalign. I would say whoever is not that happy with his or her smile in terms of the teeth positioning, whether the teeth would be crooked, rotated, misaligned, or any kind of mispositioned, that would be the great candidate for orthodontic treatment. And after the consultation, we'll figure out if this person is a candidate for Invisalign specifically. Regarding financial situation with Invisalign, our current offer goes up to 1st of September, and it involves $500 off Invisalign treatment. We provide care credit financing for 2 years, and that's for those who qualified. Obviously, the company Care Credit is a third-party financing organization, and if the patient is not qualified at that moment, the patient can get a co-signer and get him or herself qualified for that. We also provide the whitening agent in order to whiten the teeth while doing Invisalign at no extra charge.